In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your business name on Acuity scheduling. Whether you're rebranding or simply updating your information, it's important to ensure your scheduling platform reflects the correct details. Let's dive right into it and walk through the steps together to make this update seamlessly. First off, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to acuityscheduling.com. This is the main hub where all the magic happens. Once you're on the Acuity homepage, you're going to want to direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see the login button waiting for you. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're on the login page, it's time to enter your credentials. Type in your email and secure password. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's a link to help you reset it. Once you've entered your details, click on the login button to access your account. With your account open, you should now be on your Acuity scheduling dashboard. Look around for the scheduling page link, which is usually prominent and easy to spot. Clicking on this link will take you to the page where you can manage your scheduling settings. Once you're on the scheduling page, your next step is to navigate to settings. This section holds all the customization options for your account. It's usually located on a sidebar where you can access adaptable features for your scheduling needs. When you're in the settings section, it's time to locate the business name field. This is where you'll be inputting your new business name. Click into this field and simply type in the name you'd like to use. Make sure everything is spelled correctly and looks exactly the way you want it to when your clients see it. After you're satisfied with the name, don't forget this crucial step. Scroll down and hit Save Changes. This ensures that all your updates are properly applied and visible in your scheduling communications. There you have it. You've now successfully updated your business name on Acuity scheduling. With these changes now saved, your new business identity will be reflected across your scheduling page and confirmations. A quick tip: it might be a good idea to double check your other business details while you're in the settings area just to ensure all your information is current and accurate. Thank you for following along with this guide. I hope you found it helpful and easy to navigate. If you did, feel free to leave a comment or a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful how-to videos.